Good morning. I am a mess. My eyes hurt. My head hurts. All of here. I keep sneezing. I just had to take Rosie to school. Greg's sick too, but he ended up going to work. He went to work. Rosie got to school late today. Trying to push, just when you sick. My eyes hurt. I have my shades on. So the sun, because outside was mad bright. But my eyes are like so tender up here and here. I went to Trader Joe's and I've got this drink. It's called cold pressed juice beverage, lemon, ginger, and cayenne pepper, apple cider vinegar, and probiotics. So definitely gonna drink that. I've been drinking a lot of water, and I'm gonna take an immunity shot. I got this from Trader Joe's also. And this one is vitamin D, zinc, and probiotics. Yeah, and I got me a creamer. If you never tasted Trader Joe's creamer, try it. It's good. There's a brand creamer that I usually buy, and it's like $8. And it's this size. So this was $3.99. Thank you, I'll take it. This was $3.99. This one, the immunity shot is $2.49. But all of the other shots, like the ginger shots, the turmeric shots, the pineapple probiotic shot, like all their other shots is $1.99. And if you try to get it in like your local store, you'll pay like $5 a shot. So you're better off going to Trader Joe's to get it. And this was $2.99. Now, if I had to buy this in a local store, like deli, bodega, whatever, it would have been like $7 maybe. So $2.99. Trader Joe's is it for me. So I don't know what I'm about to do now. I hope y'all are having a good morning so far. Oh, yeah, I have a lot going on. And just, when life is lifing. So I think today I'm going to make, for dinner, I think I'm going to do what's that called? The vegetable fried rice from Trader Joe's with some chicken. Yeah, I think I'm going to do that. And maybe some vegetables on the side. Maybe. I don't feel like cooking at all. I could just get my daughter some pizza and call it a day, yay. Because I don't have it in me. I don't. So I'm going to just take my shot, try and get my body rejuvenated, and try and get better, and just, try to take it easy today. I'm not going to do anything. I'm not going to clean. I'm not going to do laundry. I'm not doing anything today. So, yeah, that cooking, that might be out the question. I might just get a pizza pie and call it a day, and that's it. That is dinner. Because I can't be bothered. No way. I can't. One thing about me, like, before I would just kind of like push through. But if I could improvise and just figure out a way, because they still got to eat, then I'm going to improvise. I'm not going to put too much on myself. Like, I'm somebody too, I'm not going to put too much on myself. Y'all know what season it is. I know y'all know. It is pumpkin season. In Starbucks, in Dunkin', in Trader Joe's, in Whole Foods, everywhere. It's just pumpkin season right now. And I got me some pumpkin bagels from Trader Joe's. And I like this with egg and cheese, and I also like it just toasted with some butter and a nice cup of coffee. That's what I'm gonna have. That's gonna be my breakfast, and then I'm gonna go lay my behind down, and that is it. So your girl is jacked up. I'm sick. I'm not feeling good. Y'all pray for me. Trying to manage a household and be sick at the same time. It's crazy. Toasted my bread on top of the stove. Well, I started eating already. I was on the phone with my husband. Crazy thing is, I cannot even taste. I don't taste anything. I don't taste anything. Oh boy. Well, we back in the house. I picked Royalty up from school. Got the pizza from next door to her school, and this is what we chowing down right now. It's 2 left, and we're watching Encanto and just trying to relax. And yeah, so told y'all I'm not cooking. I'm about to lay back down, relax, and that will be that. Okay, Zion got home a few minutes ago, a little while ago, and he actually came home with some stuff that I guess his the staff at his school put together. I guess like these boxes of like goodies for each child's household, which I think is really, really nice, because let me tell you something. I'm not too good to accept goods, okay? So when it comes to the soap and things of that sort, you want to send it to me. We all can always use soap. So I see this says towel set, and it says Amazon. This is the first time I'm looking at it right along with y'all. Okay. Let's see. How nice was this of them? Okay. Alright. 2 washcloths. Let's see. 2, what they call these towels? Y'all comment down below. I forgot what do they call these towels? Are these face towels?
Yeah.
No. You think they're called face towels?
No.
So 2 of those, 2 washcloths, and 2 towels. Okay. That was nice of them. They sent some Dove soap.
Oh,
deep moisture. Okay now. And they sent some Lubriderm. This is good. Dermatologist. Develop daily moisture lotion, normal to dry skin. Let me tell you something. I don't know about the rest of the DOE, but I know about District 75s. And when I tell y'all, they show up for these kids. They show up for these kids. Now we have a Target bag here where we have a bar soap. We got a huge bag of onions. Right? Let me put this right here. We got garlic. Always need garlic. We use garlic in everything in this house. I also have here a box. It says my son's name on it. His school is on it, so I don't want to show it to you guys. Let me see. But this is the box. Okay, let's see what they sent up in here. Uncle Ben's Jasmine Ready Rice. Okay. Alrighty then. 2 packs of those. What's this? Chicken noodle soup. I don't eat that. By Camels. So certain things, what I'm not gonna use, I would just give it away. What's this? Mixed green beans. No, I know I'm not gonna use it. Diced pears. Okay. Potatoes, Idaho.
I don't like mashed potatoes.
You don't like? Daddy like mashed potatoes.
Yuck.
It's kind of like eat the meat, spit out the bone. I just appreciate it, but District 75 in New York City. I'm not sure if for special needs it's District 75 in every state, but I know in New York City they really take good care of these kids. And also they gave my son 2 opportunities, one for a job, another job this winter, because I told y'all he did work in the summertime for summer youth. But this time he got another job offer working somewhere really spectacular in New York City.
Yeah.
I can't tell y'all.
You shaved your hair?
But working somewhere really spectacular in New York City, in the city. And he also got an opportunity for a shopping spree at Uniqlo coming up. So I'm just always grateful, and God always works it out and has always had my children covered. And, you know, yeah, I'm just grateful. So also my dad came over yesterday to give my son a birthday gift, and yeah, it was cool seeing him because my father is hilarious. So you can't be around him and don't laugh.
I can be the queen.
You cannot. And he said something yesterday about like being on the train with like people in suits and tie and all of this stuff, and how he was looking bummy. And he was like, he said something, he like, yeah, now all of them is broken in glass. I'm like,
hey, what you doing?
I'm like, this man here, he always got something saying. I'm telling you. I'm not cooking no dinner. I bought pizza. Royce has 1 pizza left. I guess she can eat it for her dinner a little later. She'll take a shower like 7. And then in the bed. Look, I'm about to say that real country. And then in the bed. And then in the bed. And then in the bed, like 8. I love you.
I love you. Are you going to cut that part out?
No. Why?
Because I thought you would. I'm going to watch you edit.
No, I'm not. I love you. I know husband going to be happy when he see this. He love Dove. Dove is cool. It's all right. This is the deep moisture. I thought this was, wait a second. Is this soap? Oh, no. Why does it look like, I thought it was soap. What is wrong with Zion?
That's lotion?
Oh, it's lotion.
Oh. Zion thought it was soap?
I thought it was soap. My husband loves the soap. I thought this was soap. And they have the soap that says deep moisture, but this says all day lotion, soft skin. Oh, okay. I'll take it. Thank you. Miss Friday gave us the bar soap.
This is a child.
Oh, my birthday's coming.
Not you with your fake hair again.
My birthday's coming, and there's 2 wigs that I want to get. A curly one and a straight one.
What do you have hair?
I just love that salt and pepper kind of look. If y'all hear my son back there, he is just like going in. What is he on? The Oculus, right? Oh, the Meta. Sorry, the Meta Quest.
Girl.
It's not Oculus no more. The Meta Quest. All right, let me put this stuff away.